So today we are going to learn about how we can create the custom pattern in our service now. So let's say if I'm just going to our service now discovery status, okay. So let's say this is my discovery status. Okay, let me open it. So now what I will see in my discovery log, if I'm just clicking, so Windows OS desktop patterns, okay. This pattern has been used. So first of all, for this thing, you need to search with the patterns. So you have discovery patterns. Okay. So here, if I will search with this name, right? Windows OS desktop. So this is my pattern. Okay. Under this discovery, if I'm just going with click here, okay. So it is showing you pattern, it's working. Then it is running some discovery pattern. Okay, means this under the pattern you have this identification section called discovery. So in this pattern, all the metadatas, how it will be run, right? Identification first, it will run the discovery. Under the discovery identification, what all things it needs to fetch, everything is mentioned over here. Tracked file is there. Input parameter, if any input parameter you want to be pattern orchestrator, we are not going to cover into this. So let's say through the discovery, it is getting some details. Okay, let me first open this discovery. So if I'm just going to run on the debug mode, okay, host or IP name, its name. So what was the IP? My IP was this. Right, Control V. 28.7 now. I replace mid-7, click on connect. Okay. So as per your network speed, as per your mid-server status, if it is up or down, depends upon that thing, it will start. Check the host is access. Oh, sorry. Host IP will be like this. That. Sorry, my bad, guys. Now we'll see. Okay. See, when I click on it, the temporary variable has been came, right? So you guys can see the temporary variable has been came for us. So now for the computer system table, we have all of these details has been there. So how all of these details has been mapped and this all step has been out of the box created. Now I have a requirement. Let's say this is my CI, right? Which has been created. Or this one. It has been created in our CMDB underscore C underscore computer table. Okay. I need some another data also. Okay. For this thing. So what I will be doing, I'll be clicking on it, configure from design. But you guys don't create this with the attribute, okay? I already shown how we need to create the attribute, right? So as of now, I'm just creating normally, okay? String. If you check in our CMDB video, you should know that how we need to create these attributes. This is also attribute, right? So I'm giving the name as time zone. That the easiest thing is I know this table name, that's why I'm just trying to fetch this one. Okay. So all of these details are coming, but if you want to fetch the time zone, it is not going to be populated just because of, if I'm just going with this debug Windows hardware, the bad thing is it will execute all the things. Okay. It is going to execute from the starting to end. That's the bad thing. See, now I will show this thing later. If you want to give any kind of precondition, okay, into this, I'm not going to change in the out of the box. Okay. Let's say you want to, the pattern only option will only preserve modification made the pattern steps while changes the library. Okay. The condition, if you want to give any kind of condition, let's say you want to give if this pattern value you are getting this, or if this pattern output contains this, then it will run. So those kind of things you can give. So our main motto is we are going to create our custom one. So for that thing, how we will be going to do it? In the extension section, I'm clicking on new. Okay. Giving the name as fetch time zone. Click on done. Now if you click on it, if I will click on connect, it is doing the debugging. So let it be debugged first. Let me pause the video. Let it be complete first. Okay, so now my debug has been done. So here I will be search for the WMI query, just because of it's a Windows WMI. So what I will search over here, not assigned, it is showing. So don't worry. I need the namespace service search. Click on the get data. So it is trying to retrieve all the namespace. Okay. So for this namespace, you can search in the online for the Microsoft site that what all namespaces has been available. So it is retrieving the data. Switch to. Okay. So now we have our root CIM v2 table. Okay. So it is now trying to fetch all the field names for this particular table. Okay. What I will do, click on OK. And this name I'm going to change as get data. Okay. So now I need to search for under this namespace, what is my table? That is Win 32 be the time zone. Yeah, this is the time zone. So again, it is retrieving the field names for this table. Okay. So caption is the field name. Okay. So now I need to set my target table also. So what is your target table? What target table is, where is my dollar sign? CMDB underscore CI. So computer. This is our table, right? Now if I'll be click on the test, again it is running the same debug. So okay, we'll be waiting. Okay, I am just clicking on cancel operation. Going to quickly save it first. Now let's say I have been getting this data, I need to map it also. So new steps below, if you'll be clicking on here, let's say I'm giving map data. Select an operation. Need to parse the variable. Enter variable. So here we will give what we are giving. So we are giving not this, we are giving caption. Right here we are getting the caption. That's only our variable, right? Select caption. Turn this. So again, it will take time, guys. I'm pausing the recording. So now, if I'll be going to click on retrieve, so it is showing UTC coordinate universal time. So it is giving me the particular the time zone, right? So now, what I'm going to do, I need to add my table over here. My table name is what? No. What is that? CMD. Let me open my table name. This is my table name, right? So I am going to add that same table over here. B. Okay, and now I need to add the variable. So what is my variable name? I have created one new variable, right? as I told. So my new variable name is u underscore string underscore 1. So I'm going to add the same thing, u underscore string underscore 1. And this is a string, right? So what I'm going to use over here, de-eliminated text, okay? Next, once it is happened, position is 1, I'm giving the first position, okay? So everything is now fine. The number of position must was number. So I have only one variable, na? Yeah. So that will be one only. That's fine. So now it just needs to save all the things, right? So now what I will do, again, I will run my discovery. So what I will be I will search for the schedules. Okay, schedules. Discovery schedule. I will have discovery schedules. Discovery. For discovery schedules. Okay. Again, I am going to do one quick discovery for this. Okay. Let's see. It will giving me a discovery status of this. So it has been started, right? How fast it will work, I don't know, but it has been started. First SASM has been run. Okay. Then I told already that how WMI runner has been run. Okay, WMI runner with the WMI classify probes, how it is running. Pattern launch. So now it has been launched, the pattern, right? Okay. Once it's run the pattern, so we'll be see the log. Okay. In our previous log, how it was there and now how it is. If the discovery happened properly, means this field will be automatically going to update. Okay. So let me refresh it. So why it's stuck in this started 3. Device. The first time discovery took time, that's fine, but I don't know why for the second time. Okay, it is showing the status as completed, right? So now let me reload it. Oh. It is showing the pattern has been launched. Discovery log this. If I'm going to click on this here, so it is showing, see, fetch time zone. It has been run. It has been mapped to this CI. So if I reload it, discovery log, map data, it's fine now. It should map, but why it's not mapped? I think there was something wrong happened just because of the states needs to become as 5. I don't know. But yes, what is our need that it is showing, right? If I'm just going to the pattern, it is showing in the second step for our CMDB underscore C underscore table dot this field name, U underscore string underscore 1. It is going to set as this. I think this is working fine only. So this is how you guys can create a custom pattern as well. It's very easy. As per your need, you need to create it. Okay. So thank you. Just try it. If you guys face any doubt, please let me know.